Hello, I'm Charlene, and welcome to Chinburg's newest 55-plus community, Summerwind Place, Greenland, New Hampshire. This community has 40 detached single-family condominiums, all with a first-floor primary suite. There is a family of plans to choose from, and each one has its unique features. And remember, all Chinburg homes are Energy Star certified. This community is all about indoor-outdoor living. All the homes come with a combination of a deck, patio, sunroom, or as I'm standing in, a screened-in porch. What's a 55-plus community without its amenities? We have a beautifully outfitted clubhouse with 2 bocce ball courts, and for you pickleheads, 2 pickleball courts. And enjoy the walking trails out in our wooded area, and bring along your furry friends because there'll also be a dog park. Summerwind Place is the perfect home base for your Seacoast lifestyle. I'm in downtown Portsmouth, which is only 15 minutes away. The city is a hotspot for award-winning dining, fabulous shopping, live music, and events. We are so excited to get started. We have homes underway and available now. You could be in by the end of the year. I've enjoyed sharing with you everything Summerwind Place has to offer. Come visit me at this brand new community where life's a breeze.